Hello guys, so in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to create a simple login page in PHP. So let's get started. First we have to create a database in my PHP admin. I'm using a local host. Alright, so create a database named users, create and a table name also named users, and number of fields going to be like around 2. Alright, so if you say co, and the fourth field will be username, and the second field would be password. Alright, length value worker and 25 here, password worker, and it's gonna be around 35. Alright, so save this. Now we have our own table named users and our database named users too, and the fields are username and password. So first let's insert something like username, like admin, and the other one admin. Alright, cool. So now leave this, as you can see, like admin is over here. Now leave this as a test. Go back to Adobe Dreamweaver or whatever you use. So let's start with basics. Let's create a form in HTML. Alright, sorry. And the body tag. Alright, now here we're gonna create a form action. Now leave blank for now, and method gonna be post. Alright, now close the form. Alright, so in this form we're gonna create 2 fields and 1 button. So let's create a input field. Input type gonna be text, name, or not in capitals, user name. Alright, you can use value or placeholder. Placeholder is usually like a new thing because it's in HTML5. Placeholder username. Close this, and now just copy it down. For your next field, it's gonna be password, like password, and here to password, just P capital password. So if you see in design, it will be something like this. So insert a P tag into it, like this, and so now if you see in design, we have here this, and last thing, a button, like a P tag, input type, it will be submit, and name gonna be login. No placeholder cause it's a button. Well, it'll take log in. Alright, so we're pretty much done with it. Let's see, this is it. So the action going to be at login.php. so let's type in here login.php. Save this. Now if we go login.php, it's empty. So open up PHP tags. So in here we're gonna type in session underscore start. Alright, session has been started. So if is it dollar underscore post or dollar underscore post login. Login is basically this button because we have named it as login. So if it's a post login, then username is equal to dollar underscore post username, and password is equal to dollar underscore post password, like this. So if we have this, then if else, so if we have username and oh, it simply means and. So if we have username and password, it gonna execute the statement in this if. Else it gonna header location index.php notify is equal to all fields are required. Alright, so firstly, if any of those fields is empty, so it kinda redirect the page to index.php and notify all fields are required. So to echo out this notify, we're gonna create here something like php, like if is set dollar underscore get notify, then echo out dollar underscore get notify. Alright, let's see this. So if is it this notify will go there, then it's gonna echo out all fields are required. Alright, so if username in this, we're gonna create a variable. I'm taking variable as connect. You can take it like user or something else. Now MySQL underscore connect. I'm using a local host, so I have my password and my username is root, and my localhost server IP address is this. If you are using for a website, you can add, like, you have to use their my PHP admin and MySQL database server name. Alright, MySQL underscore select underscore DB. Our database name was users. So from this ID password and that server address, username and password. My password is blank. It gonna select this database. So here we create another variable named login. It gonna just check if the table in the database actually exists. MySQL underscore query select all from users. It's the table users which we are using right now. We'll select all from users. Now from which field you're gonna select where username is equal to username. Alright, so from where username, if you remember, we got two fields in there named username and password. So where the field name username is equal to username, the post user. So now we're gonna create a while loop to get everything present in that username. So it kind be like log is equal to, it's a variable, you can take any variable, mysql underscore fetch underscore assac login, not capital L, a small one. So while db username is equal to log username. Log basically is variable from which we are getting the information, and db password is equal to log password. So now is the main check. So let's so if you can see over here, I'm creating another else statement, because here's another check which gonna redirect it to index.php, notifying that your username or your password is incorrect. Incorrect username or password. Alright, so now the main statement going to be if username is equal to db username, and then password is equal to db password. Alright, so if the username which was posted is equal to db username, and password which was posted is equal to db password matched, then we're gonna create $_session, oh sorry, $_session username $db username. So db username's value going to be assigned to session's username, and I'm gonna copy it down, so like this, and change it to password, and I now if the values db username values is assigned to session username, and so for password, now we're gonna redirect this page to a members area page like this, location.php, oh sorry, location is equal to members.php. Alright, save this page. I actually forget to do something to it's a user input, so better use MySQL escape string, MySQL underscore real underscore escape underscore string, MySQL underscore real underscore escape string. Alright, it's with double C. Yeah, this provides something like security to it. Underscore real underscore escape underscore string. Alright, so we're done with our login script. Let's go to members page and see what we have to do over here now. So in members page, open up PHP tags. Don't forget to open your session, like to start your session. So here we're gonna create if in a statement else. Header index chat PHP. Oh sorry, I'm gonna recorrect it. Notify. Oops, something went wrong. And then header. So in if statement we're gonna create if $_session username or $_. So password and here username. So if $_session username or password, then you're gonna echo out you are logged in as. Now here that and create a like $_session. Now here username. Alright, so it can echo out you're logged in as username, and then we're gonna have it like we're gonna have a logout thing. So echo out double quotes like log out slash. I'm gonna close a, and on the other hand I'm gonna chat a also like this. A href log out.php. Alright, so and the foremost thing is to change the title of the page to like this, echo out title of the page gonna be $_session. I don't think it will work. Username. Yeah, it won't work. So rather than this, just an statement like username is equal to $_session username. Like here, username. So the title of the page going to be changed to, you can do anything like this and like type in here tutorial guy or something. Say this now last page is left named login. So open up PHP tags over here too, and session underscore chart. So if no need of else statement over here, just type in if $_session or $_session like this, password and username, then session underscore destroy. Alright, it's gonna destroy the whole session, and like a header over here, location index.php notify SLT you are logged out. Alright, so let's save it and test this. Oh, I'm sorry. And then over here PHP. So if I go login and see, here's username and password. As now we registered two values over here, like we inserted two values, admin, username and password admin. So type in admin, and over here admin admin. Alright, login. So it's gonna echo out you're logged in as admin. So here's a little bit of mistake. We didn't we didn't put a space. So if you put space and refresh this admin, and over here you're gonna add some like two break tags. Alright, and then again refresh this page. Here's the logout thing. Logout, you are logged out. This is the thing which is done by like this. Notify if you say something like yeah that and yeah that, it just echoes out notify. So admin, and again I'm gonna show you something cool. Admin, so remember this link, copy. No matter whenever you go to this link, you will be logged in until you click logout. So, and if you once click logged out, you see, and it got something undefined, and the other programming of the page just simply died like this. So alright, I'll see you in next tutorial. And for script of this login, go to my website, register an account and download it from there. Like go to my website, register an account, login, go to video section, click my video for this login and just download it from there. Thanks for watching. See ya.